In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Emo with email. Now, before we dive into the process, it's important to understand a key point. You cannot log into Emo using email only. Emo officially supports phone number login. Email is used primarily for settings or recovery purposes, so keep this in mind as we go through the steps. First, make sure that you have the Emo app installed on your device and that you're logged in using your phone number. This is important because email will only come into play once you're inside the app. Logging in with your phone number ensures that your account is secure and accessible. Once you are logged in, you'll need to navigate to the settings section of the Emo app. This is usually found in the main menu, represented by an icon that looks like a gear. Clicking on this will open up a variety of options for you to manage your account. From there, look for the option labeled Account and Security. This is where you can manage important aspects of your account, including login details and security settings. Accessing this section helps you maintain control over your account and keep it safe. Next up, tap on the Login Email option. This is where you can view your existing email setup or make changes if necessary. It's a straightforward step, but it plays a crucial role in managing your account recovery options. This step ensures that you have a backup method for accessing your account if needed. At this point, you have the choice to use the existing login email or to add or change the email for backup or recovery purposes. If you decide to add a new email, simply follow the prompts to enter and verify your new email address. This makes sure your account has updated recovery information. Adding or updating your email is a smart move because it provides an extra layer of security. If you ever run into issues with your phone number, having an email on file can be a lifesaver. You'll receive confirmation that your email has been updated, giving you peace of mind. With that ready, remember that using your phone number is the primary method for logging in. The email serves as a secondary option for recovery and settings, so always ensure your phone number is up to date. This approach keeps your account secure and accessible. Finally, it's worth noting that having both your phone number and email updated in Emo is beneficial. It provides you with multiple ways to recover your account if you ever face any issues. This dual setup offers flexibility and security. And there you have it, the process for managing your Emo login with an email. By now, you should have a better understanding of how to navigate the login process and why each step is crucial. Remember, the key takeaway here is that email is for settings and recovery, while your phone number is essential for logging in. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Stay secure and keep exploring the features of Emo.